Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was coming back from visiting a friend on the south coast on the train, and at one stop a rather drunk guy got on. And he was kind of mumbling away to himself. And then he launched into what can only be described as a bit of a racist rant. I sat there for 30 seconds, for a minute, listening to this, hoping that at some point he'd just stop. And in the end, I got to a point where I couldn't stand it anymore. So I stood up. I'm quite a tall person, so I know that I might look quite imposing sometimes to some people. And I shouted at the guy, "Mate, no one wants to hear it. Put a sock in it, all right?" If you tell someone to put a sock in it, it's basically a kind of informal, slightly humorous way of telling them to shut up, telling them to be quiet. So I might use it with my own kids. When I'm trying to work and my kids are running around being noisy, I might shout out to them, "Can you two just put a sock in it? I'm trying to work in here." Maybe if you're with a friend and they've gone off on one, moaning yet again about something they often complain about, you might tell them, "Oh, come on, just put a sock in it. No one wants to hear you complaining again." And maybe if you're around people who are being noisy and they're friends of yours, you might ask them, "Hey, can you just put a sock in it for a minute? I'm on the phone. I'm trying to talk to someone." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "put a sock in it."